Hello everyone, very good morning. Hope you are able to hear me and you are able to see me also. So who all we have? I know there are some new people, so that's why I put my introduction on the screen, but many of you already know me. So who we have? We have Shubhi. Hi Shubhi, good morning. Shivam,
Good
somebody with
morning,
red
sir.
me. Good morning. Okay, Dhanya. Then Divya, Ritesh, Asta, very good morning. Skand, very good morning. Mani, Sajana,
Happy morning, sir.
happy morning, very good. And who else we have? Ankita. Hello, Ankita. Yuvraj, Meghna. Very good morning. Dhanu, Meghna.
Good morning, sir.
Good. Everybody able to hear me, right? Yes, and I wish you very happy 2021. Very happy New Year. Okay, do well and make good progress. So let's start. Hope I'm going to mute everyone now so that proper silence is there. Yes, everybody is muted now. Perfect. So anyway, my introduction is there. People who are new, they can read. As know, I am Rakesh Agrawal. That's it. And other things it's only on the screen. So I'm not going to talk much about me, and we're going to talk more about what we're going to do. This is the January. In October, in November, not October, November we started, right? First November, right, Shubhi? In November, we started with the basics of number system, percentage, profit loss, all arithmetic. In December, we covered more the application part of arithmetic, like all the applications, like time and work, pipeline distance, speed distance, time, and all those, right? Averages, all. Now, in January, we are moving more towards modern maths. So, let me show you the whiteboard. I'll tell you what is today's plan. So, January month is more for modern maths. January. I have focused on January all on modern maths. When I say modern maths has three main constituents, which many of you may know. Probability, which is today's focus. Today we're going to talk about probability. I'll talk more about it in a moment. Then we're going to talk about permutations and combination. Very. These are like these three topics. The good part is, I'll tell you, the good part is they don't take time. You can solve question in 5 seconds or 10 seconds or 20 seconds, difficult question. That is the good part about this probability permutation combination. The bad part, what is the bad part? We do lot of mistakes because 5-second answer wrong, right? So that is the problem part of this. So we have to be very careful. And then we're going to talk about set theory and DI, DS, you are in SI, CI, whatever, okay? All those, I sent my content already. So let's talk about this later. Probability is what is the focus for today, 2 hours. The way we will break out 2 hours is we're going to solve at least 200 questions, very fast, 200 questions, very fast, okay? We'll start with basic concepts. Then we'll do easy questions. Then you can say mid-level. And lastly, more difficult. Last half an hour will be more difficult question. That is what our... Yes, any conceptual level doubt you can ask me. I'm going to... It's not a workshop, it's a proper core course. That we're going to solve many questions and we're going to... It is not kind of like I'm going to ask everyone to solve. No. You know that. It's a Sunday class are different from my regular workshops. So any question in concept level, any question you don't understand, ask me. But don't ask me to repeat something. Oh, sir, I came late. Or sir, again, no. That will delay everything. Okay? Right? Immediately, if concept is not clear, ask me. Sir, I have a doubt. Either tell me on the chat or ask unmute audio and tell me. Okay? Let's start. Probability. Tell me, Ankita, what is probability? What is your understanding of probability, Ankita?
सर प्रोबेबिलिटी यानी जो भी मतलब हमारे आउटकम्स होते हैं वो जितने भी मतलब पॉसिबिलिटी
Yes.
और आउटकम्स जितने आने हैं वो.
Okay. So, okay, one more thing, guys. This class primarily will be English, but English and Hindi mix. I'll talk some Hindi also, but किसी को कुछ भी problem हो, you can always, Vikas, Shao, and everybody else. I have told 1,000 times. It's a live class, no recorded session or any of my workshop. People know about it. So don't expect that. Don't expect any PDF. Don't expect any videos. It's a live interaction, guys. Okay? No recorded videos. So don't expect that. I clearly mentioned in all my chat who asked it. Okay, Vikas? Thank you. Now, what I was saying, I forgot. So, you can always take a screenshot of the screen, whatever notes you want, you should take notes. So yes, as Ankita said. But before that, I wanted to tell you, I'm going to talk about English and Hindi mix. But if anybody has any problem in Hindi or you can always ask a question in English or Hindi. I'm very open to answer in the same language, okay? So don't hesitate. English or Hindi, these two languages only I know. And this is what I said. So probability, the basic concept probability, any comes. Suppose you take a coin, you roll a dice, you pick a card, or in general any probability. It's always one concept. Probability is always a chance of occurring event. What is probability means? Chance of occurring an event. Chance of occurring an event is what probability means. For example, I'll give example, and it is always given by how many favorable outcomes. I'll explain all of this, and how many total outcomes. That is what the meaning of. That is the meaning of probability. What are total outcomes are there? In that, how many favorable to you for a particular question. For example, suppose my event is tossing of a coin. It's an event, right? I'm tossing a coin. It's an event. Now, total outcomes. Before that, I'll tell you sample space. When you toss a coin, you can get either head or tail, right? When you toss a coin, you can get either head or a tail. So let me put this. Sample space is nothing but exhaustive set of all the possible outcomes. That is known as sample space. So how many total outcomes are there? One is head, one is tail. So total outcomes are 2. Tossing of a coin is an event. Total outcomes are 2. Head or tail. The question was, suppose if I ask a question, what is probability of getting one head? No, probability is one head. So getting one head is my favorable outcome. So in the head and tail only, this is my favorable outcome. So number of favorable outcome is 1. So I can say my probability is 1 divided by 2. Number of favorable outcome divided by total number of outcome. Any probability will work on that. That's the very, very basic concept of probability. Probability always lies between 0 and 1, or you can say 0 to 100%, depending upon are you using percentage or are you using the integers. Probability cannot be negative. Probability cannot be more than 1 in integer. So there are different type of events possible, like sure event and all. We'll talk about it. But basic concept probability is how many total outcomes are there. Out of those, how many are favorable to you? That's very basic concept. This is the useful for everywhere. So now the way we'll do is, I'll write the question. We'll do at least 200 questions today. Very fast. It takes 5 seconds to do a question. Stop me if you have any doubt. You will use the chat box to answer your question in 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Got everybody? You will answer on the chat in 5 or 10 seconds. Now, first we'll talk about coins. Suppose 2 coins are rolled. 2 coins are tossed simultaneously. That is my event. Everybody, event is tossing of 2 coins. Now tell me, everybody, how many total outcomes of 2 coins? Now you toss 2 coins simultaneously, you toss 1 coin 2 times. In this case, it's same. So total outcomes. So let's list out. You can get head and head on both. You can get head and tail. You can get tail and head. You can get tail and tail. So total number of outcomes are 4 in this case. 2 coins are tossed or 1 coin is tossed 2 times. The total outcomes are 4. Simple. Now, if I ask you simple question, everybody write on chat. And write answer in the form of something by 4. Don't simplify unnecessarily. That you do at home later. What is probability of getting both tails? First, we are tossing 2 coins. What is probability of getting 2 tails? So if you see, 2 tails is the only outcome, which is TT. TT, 2 tails is only one outcome, guys. So 1 by 4. Why? Because out of this is the only outcome which is favorable to you, right, Ritesh? This is the only outcome favorable to you. TT, because you need both the tails. So 1 by 4. Move on. What is probability of getting no head? First, no head means also what? You need only tails. So again it is TT, right? So 1 by 4. Exactly, or will say 1 head. But you're getting 1 head means exactly 1 head, Divya. It is not more than 1. Exactly 1 head. That is 2 by 4. Because HT and TH, not 3 by 4. And if I say probability of getting at least 1 head, at least 1 head, at least 1 head, it can be HH, it can be HT, it can be TH. 3 outcomes are favorable. And what is the probability of getting at most 2 heads, 2 tails? At most 2 tails. At most 2 tails मतलब ज्यादा से ज्यादा maximum you need 2 tails. You can have 0 tails, you can have 1 tail, you can have 2 tails. You can have 0 tail, you can have 1 tail, you can have 1 tail, you can have all tails. At most 2 tails, guys. It's a 4 by 4. Lot of people were wrong. I told you, right? This is called as sure event. Why? It's a certain event. Always it will happen, right? What else you get? Can you tell me? At most 2 tail means everything, right? You can get 2 tails, 1 tail, or 0 tail. Similarly, if I say what is probability of getting at most 2 heads, the same thing. Right, Yuvraj? Yes, 4 by 4, 0. 1 by 4 by 4, 100% probability. What is probability getting? Alternate head and tails. No, alternate head and tails, there is no order specified. Yeah, Asta, wait. So, alternate head and tails can be HT or TH. Now, I am going to unmute everybody, but only that person who has a doubt or want to speak will unmute, not everyone. Otherwise, lot of noise. Asta, ask your doubt, please. Asta, ask your doubt. So, Asta, when you unmute, you can ask me doubt. Probability of getting alternate is HT or TH, two outcomes. So 2 by 4, right? And if I say, what is probability of getting three heads? Yuvraj? Probability of getting three heads? Impossible. 0 by 4 or 0. Impossible event. Very easy. Two coins and no dot at all, right? Notice not 3 by 4 is nothing. It is three heads. Why 3 by 4, guys? Three heads, 0. How can you get three heads in two coins? Tell me the magic. It's not, right? Impossible event, right? So, this. No, you don't have to mug up how many total events will be there or total outcomes will be there. It is as simple as that. Total outcomes is always there like that. Total outcomes is always 2 to the power n. N is number of throws or number of coins. If 2 coins, to the power 2. So 4. If 3 coins, total number of outcomes will be 2 to the power 3. Right? Meghna? Unmute Meghna. If 3 coins are tossed, how many outcomes are there, Meghna? Unmute. अरे मैंने सबको अनम्यूट दिया है ना ऑप्शन. Yes, Meghna, please unmute.
Yes, sir.
If there are 3 coins, how many total outcomes?
The 8.
8, because 2 to the power 3, 4 coins to the power 4, 10 coins to the power 10. It's as simple as that, right? Why
Yes,
is 2 power? Because 1 coin has 2 outcomes. That's why we say 2 to the power.
Yes.
If we do die, we'll do 6 to the power. That's it. So now, Meghna, what are the 8 outcomes? We'll do in order. T. Let's keep T constant. Then only modify TH, HT, and THH. Correct? I'm writing 8 outcomes. So first we put T all constant. So this we can verify. Now start with reverse. H, TH, HT, and HTT. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So got it, everybody? Total outcomes. Now I'm going to increase the level. Total outcomes for 3 coins are tossed. Everybody write your answer. Any doubt, please ping me. Okay? Let's start. Let me keep this like this, like this. What is probability of getting 2 heads? Three coins are tossed. What is probability of getting probability of getting 2 heads? Guys, fast. It is too easy question. Total outcomes are 8. 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8. 2 heads. Let's check. Yes. I can see only 3 outcomes which are favorable to me. So, probability of getting 2 heads is 3 over 8. But if I say probability of getting at least 1 head, then what you will do? At least 1 head. At least 1 head means you don't need all tails. You need at least 1 head. So TTT will not come. 7 over 8. What is probability getting? At most 3 tails. Meghna, how it is 2 by 8? Meghna, unmute. Before that. Meghna, previous question. Why it is 2 by 8? 2 by 8 बताओ.
अभी
Please tell me and ask me. Any मेघना कैसे हुआ 2 by 8? कोई डाउट है? मेघना इस क्वेश्चन का 2 by 8 था या इस क्वेश्चन का 2 by 8 you're saying? Probably you're getting at most 3 tails. At most 3 tails means
Yes,
0
sir.
tail, 1 tail, 2 tail, 3 tail. Everything is okay. 8 by 8. Or you can say 1. Sure event. Right Shivam, right Mushai, right Dhanu. Sajna Devi, Yuvraj, yes. What is probability of getting? Number of heads equal to number of tails. Number of heads equal to number of tails. Iskan says 0, okay. Yuvraj says 0, Sajna Devi says 0. Sajna, why 0?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Sajna Devi. Why 0?
Because, there's no equal number of tail and head in this event.
Because there are 3 coins, so it can be
Yes,
either
3
heads more
coins
or
are
tails
tossed.
more. You are right. So 0. Impossible event. You are right. Thank you. What are we already getting?
Thank
Tails more than head. Number of tails more than number of heads. This is all easy stuff, guys. We are going to go very difficult. This is very easy. Number of tails more than number of heads. Is it 2 by 8, 3 by 8 or half or 4 by 8? Yuvraj, write 4 by 8 only. Don't simplify it. It will be easy to compare, okay? Dhanu, how it is 3 by 8? Dhanu, unmute.
Sir,
Yes, how 3 by 8?
sir, first and second and last one will come in this category, sir.
This is tails more than head. Tails more than head. Tails more than head. Tails more than head. Right or wrong?
Yes, sir. It's 4
कितना
by
हो गया?
8.
कितना हो गया? 3 है या 4 है?
4, sir.
फिर? Got everybody? Why people are saying 3 by 8? It is 4 by 8, guys. See, again you apply. Half of the time, heads will be more. Half of the time, tails will be more. Obviously, right? If you apply the logic also. Half of the times, that's it. Next. What is probability of getting? At least 2 tails. At least 2 tails. Divya, what should be the answer and why?
The first one, at least 2 tails.
At least 2 tails. TTT,
Yeah. Second one, TTH,
TTH,
THT,
THT.
and last one, HTT.
4 by 8. Simple. Thank you. Next. Probability of getting consecutive 2 tails or 2 heads. Consecutive 2 tails or consecutive 2 heads, okay? So that no confusion. Yuvraj, what should be the answer and why? Explain to everybody.
Consecutive head is consecutive till first one, second one, and then fourth one, fifth one, then seventh one, and eighth one. There are 6 total for consecutive 2 tails or 2 heads.
How many are there?
6.
6. Right, everybody? Very good, Yuvraj. 6 by 8. Consecutive 2 heads or consecutive 2 tails. Now, when we say 2, it can be 3 also, but 2 is there, that's enough. Simple. Coins we can do easily, anybody? This much. 2 coins, 3 coins, you can do very easily. It's all about counting total events. We know total events and we have to count how many favorable events. Favorable outcome, not events. Favorable outcome. Move on to dice. Say one dice is rolled. Should be how many total outcomes?
So 4 to the power 1, 6 to the power 1.
6 to the power 1. That's the basic concept. So why 6 to the power 1? Because one dice has 6 outcomes.
6 outcomes.
6 to the power 1. 2 dice, 6 to the power 2. 3 dice, 6 to the power 3. Like that. 6 to the power n. So what are the outcomes? Should be?
So 1 by
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's it.
1 to 6.
Correct. Everybody write this. What is probability getting a prime number? Write on chat. To be chat पे लिखो सब लोग. Probability of getting a prime number on a single dice. Prime numbers are 2, 3, and 5. So 3 outcomes are favorable. Probability of getting a perfect number on a dice. Write everybody fast. What is probability of getting a perfect number on a dice? Iskand, why 1 by 6? Explain to
So
everybody.
perfect number is any one number, right? So it's 1 by 6.
Any one number? Means what?
Any number, sir.
No, there is 6 by 6. Na? If it's any number, then 6 by 6. No? Iskand?
Yes, sir.
Then Mushahid, how it is 1 by 6?
So 1 by 6 because I guess that 4 is perfect number, na? Like 2
Nah,
into 2.
nah, perfect square, there is no.
Acha, yeah, perfect square.
Yuvraj, why 1 by 6? Oh, Yuvraj says 1, 6 by 6. Why?
Sir, actually, all number are perfect, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Who
6.
said that, Yuvraj? No. Guys, Shubhi, I explained this perfect number so much, guys. Shubhi.
So perfect number is the sum of the number.
So out of these numbers, only 6 is a perfect
6
number.
is a perfect number. So
I
1 by
explained
6.
so many times in so many classes. Perfect numbers are those numbers. See, 6 is divided by 1, 2, and 3. Don't count itself. What is sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3?
6.
So 6 is the perfect number. 6 is the only perfect number between 1 to 6. 6 is only. Very good, Shubhi. So what is the probability?
1 by 6.
Because only 6 is the perfect number. That's it. Understood? Yuvraj, Mushahid, Ankita, Iskan, everyone.
Sir, I didn't understand. sir.
Perfect numbers are those numbers, sum of which multiples or sum of which factors is equal to the same number. 6 किससे डिवाइड होता है अंकिता? अंकिता अनम्यूट करो. अंकिता अनम्यूट करो.
हाँ सर.
6 किससे डिवाइड होता है?
सर 2, 3,
1 से भी होता है ना?
1. हाँ 1.
और 6 से भी होता है, but we don't count the same number.
हाँ
अब इसका सम करो तीनों का.
6.
आता है वापस. तो अगर सम सेम आ
यस
रहा है,
सर.
then it's a perfect number. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अब 8
हाँ
लेते
सर.
8 लेते 8 होता है 1 से 2 से और 4 से.
2 से 4 से.
सम 7 आ रहा है, तो नॉट ए परफेक्ट नंबर. Not a perfect number.
हाँ. ओके सर.
Correct? And guys, I'll give one more example. For example, after 6, the next perfect number is 28. देखो 1 से होता है, 2 से होता है, 4 से होता है, 7 से होता है, 14 से होता है. You add all this.
15.
You add all this, you get 28 again. So perfect number is that number, sum of its factor excluding itself is the number itself. Okay, everyone?
ओके सर.
So let's move on to probability. Mute, Ankita, mute. 5 is not a perfect number. Because 5 is not divisible by 2 and 3, Dhanu. Dhanu, unmute karo, Dhanu.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, what is actually perfect number? Sir, I didn't understand that.
Dhanu, perfect number is those numbers, suppose say number 4. Okay?
Yes, sir.
4 is divisible by 1 or not?
Yes, sir.
4 is divisible by 2?
Yes, sir.
4 is divisible by 4?
4. Yes, sir.
Anything else can divide 4 or not? Nothing, right?
Nothing, sir.
So 4 is divisible by 1, 2 and 4. If you don't count the number itself, forget this. What is the sum of 1 and 2?
3, sir.
So it is not coming the same, right?
Okay, sir.
So 4 is not a perfect number.
Okay, sir. I understood, sir.
Got it. Let's move on. What is the probability of getting perfect square skand? Skand.
Yes,
What
sir.
is the probability of getting a perfect square?
1 4 by
Take your
6.
time.
1 sorry,
Take
1
your
by
time,
6.
Skand. Take your time, Skand. Perfect square, guys. What
1 by
happened to
6,
your
sir.
maths? What happened to your maths, guys? 1 is a perfect square, 4 is perfect square. What? From 1 to 6, which are the perfect squares? Shivam? Shivam, explain to everyone.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Shivam.
Sir, perfect square means.
Perfect square is this, right?
Yes, sir. 1 and 4.
Perfect squares are product of two exactly same numbers, right?
Exactly. Yes, sir.
1 means 1 into 1, 1. 4 means 2
And
into 2, 4.
And 4, 2 by square.
They are two perfect squares. So 2 by 6. Super. Guys, don't do that mistake. I told you. Probability is very easy and we do mistakes. Move on. What is probability getting a? Neither a prime nor a composite number. Tell me quickly. Asta, what should be the answer and why? Asta is there? Asta, your audio not working today? Divya, what's the answer and why? Fast, guys. Divya.
Sir, 1 by 6.
Why 1 by 6? You are right. Why?
Because neither a prime nor a composite.
So what?
So, 1 is the answer.
No, because no, 1 is the answer means what? You are saying this 1 is the answer? No, right?
No, normal 1, sir. 1.
You should say out of 1 to 6, 1 is
1
the
to
only
6,
number which.
1 is yes, sir.
They explain Divya. I know you know it. You are very good in math. They explain it properly. Okay, good.
Okay.
So 1 to 6, only 1 is the number which is neither a prime nor a composite.
Or a composite number.
Perfect. All good, everybody? Write CC. Everybody is okay till now? Write CC means crystal clear. People who are new to the class, CC means crystal clear. You have no doubt till now. Else ask me doubt. Now 2 dice are rolled. 2 dices are rolled. How many total outcome? Mushahid. Sahil Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Mushahid,
36,
how
sir.
many total outcomes?
36, sir.
Why? You are right, but why?
Sir, this 6 raised to 2.
Exactly, 6 to the power 2. As we explained, should we explain? It is always 6 to the power n. 36. No, I'm not going to write all 36, but you know, outcome can be 1, 1. Outcome can be 1, 2. Like that. 1, 6. Something, something, something. And then you can say 6, 1. And all God has given his fingers. Believe me, we are going to use fingers to make it so fast. God has given that, right? We should use it. I'll show you now. Like that. 6, 6. Total 36 outcomes. Okay. Total 36 outcomes. Now, let's start asking the questions. What is probability of? What is probability of? Let me adjust the screen. Be very, guys, ready? We are going to solve many questions very fast. Be ready, okay? My screen is red. Okay. Okay. Yes, I can see. What is probability of getting doublets? I'm going to make it difficult now. Probability getting double is an easy one, but I'm going to make it difficult. Tell me only something by 36. Don't simplify. Mani Pritam, what should be the answer and why? Mani Pritam, what should be the answer and why? Fast. Shivam. Six by 30. Doublets are 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and 6, 6. Simple. What is probability of getting? Sum equal to 6. Sum equal to 6 means sum on the face of the two dice. Meghna, what should be the answer of? Probability of getting sum equal to 6 on both the dice. Faces of both the dice. No use the fingers. How? Meghna, unmute.
Yes, sir.
See guys, we have to choose that. We need sum of 6. 1, 5, 5, 1. 2, 4, 4, 2. And 3, 3. That's it. Done. How can you get 6? 1, 5, 5, 1. 2, 4, 4, 2. And 3, 3. Right, Meghna? These are the only 5 outcomes?
Yes, sir.
You get 1, 5, you get 5, 1. Always do reverse.
Yes.
Very easy. You get 2, 4, you get 4, 2. Or you get 3, 3. So total 5 outcomes. So 5 by 36 is right answer. Thank you. Next. What is probability getting? Sum greater than 12. शुभी जल्दी से बताओ कैलकुलेट करके.
So 0.
Why 0?
So because 6 and 6 is equal to 12 but not more than 12.
So that is why. Right with the answer, guys. Probability getting sum less than equal to 4 on two dice. Everyone. Sajna Devi, how should we do this?
Sir, 1, 2, 2, 1.
So sum can be either 2 or 3 or 4.
Yes, sir.
2 में कौन-कौन आ सकता? What all? You know Hindi, Sajna Devi?
No, sir.
Okay. What else can come in 2? Only 1, 1, right?
1, 1.
Nothing else?
Yes. No,
In
sir.
what can come?
1, 2, 2, 1.
And in 4, what can come?
1, 3, 3, 1.
That's it? And 2,
No.
2 also.
Yes, sir.
So total outcomes are, favorable outcomes are 6.
6 by 36.
Good. Everyone okay? This is the question I wrote. I'm not going to write everywhere, but this is just to explain. Sum should be less than equal to 4. So sum can be 2, or sum can be 3, or sum can be 4. That's it. Thank you, Sajna Devi. Good, everyone?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, this time I'm going to give you time. Take your time and solve it. Sum greater than 9. Hey Ram, how shall we do this? Hey Ram? Yes, Hey Ram, how shall we do this?
Yes, sir.
Sum greater than 9.
It will be 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 4, 6, 5, and 6, 6.
Nah, you have to go in order. When you say 5, 5, means you're getting sum of 10, right?
Yes.
Do all the 10s first. 5, 5, 6, 4, 4, 6. So all 10s are done.
Yes.
11, 5, 6, 6, 5.
Yes.
12, 6, 6. Total 6 outcomes, not 4. So do in
5.
order. Some is 10, some is 11, some is 12, right?
Okay.
Ankita, how it is 10? Thank you, Aram. Ankita, how it is 10? Unmute.
Sir, that is 6,3, 6,4, 6,5,
6,3 कैसे
10.
होगा? 9 से बड़ा चाहिए, greater than 9. 9 equal to नहीं लिखा मैंने.
हाँ, okay. हाँ, then
9 नहीं आएगा. 10, 11, 12. Thank you. Got everybody? Shubhi count कर रही है अभी भी? Unmute करो.
So मुझे समझ में नहीं आया. I got the two results of 5 and 11 for 5.
Because Shubhi हाथ ऐसे करो पहले.
हाँ सर.
उंगली उठाओ ऐसे.
हाँ सर.
तब greater than 9 मतलब क्या चाहिए? 10, 11, 10, 11, 12.
हाँ.
10 कैसे आ सकता है? 6, 4.
5 by 5.
अरे ऑर्डर से आओ, ऊपर से नीचे नीचे, बीच में से नहीं आना कभी. या तो हाई से लो या लो से हाई. You will miss otherwise. या तो 6, 4 पे जाओ या 4, 6 पे. 5 तो बीच वाला है, right? Go high है. 6, 4.
6, 4.
4, 6.
4, 6.
And 5, 5.
5, 5.
10 के 3 हो गए.
हाँ.
अब 11 पे आओ. 11 कैसे बनता है? 6, 5.
6, 5.
5, 6.
5, 6.
हो गया 11. और anything 11 possible?
हाँ. No.
अब 12 पे जाओ. 6, 6.
6, 6.
कितने हुए? 6 हुए ना?
6. हाँ.
ये फिंगर इसलिए तो दिया है, राइट?
Okay sir.
उसके लिए इजी है ना एकदम.
हाँ.
Next question, everybody. Do one more question so that everybody can get the right. Probability of getting sum less than 6. Try everybody quickly. Everybody should do it this time. I'll wait for 10 seconds. 30 seconds, sorry. Who is with Redmi? Rename please. Redmi में कौन है? Rename करो please. Vikash Kumar, tell me how you do this. Unmute. Vikash Kumar, are you there? Sum less than 6. Sum can be 2. So 1, 1. 3, 1, 2, 2, 1. 4, 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2. 5, 1, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2. 6. No. So total 10. Guys, it doesn't take more than 15 seconds. It's all so fast. You have to just in mind. Sum can be 2, 3, 4 or 5. All good? Shall you do difficult question now? Easy or done? Tell me GTG, good to go. GTG means you are ready to start with the more difficult questions now. GTG, good to go. This is for new people. Other people know already. GTG, good to go. Let's start. Find out this. Take your time. 2 dice are rolled. What if you are getting the odd number on any dice? Think. I solved it. Take 10 seconds if you apply the logic. Danu says 27, 36. Okay. Let's see. And good, in 40 minutes we covered a lot. Then we are going to do very difficult. Good. Money says same. Right, whatever you get, Meghna, Divya, Sajna, Yuvraj, whatever, Shubhi, Sahil Kumar. odd number on any dice. Ritesh. It is so easy, guys. We need odd number on any dice means except below. Everything is okay. So we don't need even on both. We don't need 2 2, we don't need 2 4, we don't need 2 6. Okay, we don't need 4 2, we don't need 4 4, we don't need 4 6. We don't need 6 2, we don't need 6 4, we don't need 6 6. Except this, all are okay. 9 outcomes are not okay. Because if we get both the evens, then we are not getting odd. So except these 9 events, 9 outcomes, every other is okay. So that's why the answer is. Ask me any confusion. Odd number on any dice. It can have odd number on both also. That's it. Except these 9 outcomes, any outcome is okay, right? That's why it's so fast. Good, I'll move on now. Next. Prime number on first dice only. See, it is a specific condition. You think more. Think more, guys. Think more. Prime number on dice 1 only. As of now, none of you are right. If you are not simplify, I said already, don't simplify. Prime number on first dice only. Say we get 2 on the first dice. So second dice can have only either 1, 4 or 6. So 2 1, 2 4, 2 6. Similarly, if first dice has 3, second dice can have 1, 4, and nothing else can come. If first dice has 5, it can only 1. Think, guys, think the scenario. Only 9 outcomes are there, which are favorable. Prime number on first dice only. Nine by 36. Right, Sarkadevi? Right, Shubi. Understood, guys? Scenarios are important. How you read. Prime number on first dice only. Probability of getting neither a prime nor a composite on any dice. Think, I said it will be more. I said first dice, na? See the question clearly, then it clearly says first dice, previous question. Right? So what if you're getting neither a prime number, not a composite number on any dice? What will be the answer for this and why?
So neither a prime, neither a composite is 1.
Correct.
And you are saying the probability of neither a prime nor a composite on any dice. So we'll get.
Yes, you think like it. It's no condition. Yes.
Yes, sir. So the answer will be 0 according to me.
Why? What if we get 1-1?
So 1-1.
Possible है ना? 1-1 नहीं आ सकता है?
हाँ आ सकता है.
वही आ सकता है, उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं आ सकता है. Can we get anything, Yuvraj? Should be clear है?
Yes, sir.
Yuvraj, unmute. Y25.
Sir, neither a prime nor a composite. One is the number, like so the outcome like 1, 1,5, 1,6 should not come.
But 1,4, 1, see, you don't need any prime number, or you don't need any prime or any composite number. Or any
I read the sentence wrong.
I know.
Okay.
That's what I said. Dhanu, Y11. Because I want to understand that.
Sir,
Yes, Dhanu.
1,1 up to 1,6, sir.
Why 1,6? 1,5, 1,6. 1,6. 6 is a composite number, right?
Yes, sir.
I
On
don't
any
need-
one dice is enough,
Where
sir.
did I say one dice? On any dice. Not one dice, on any dice. But none of the dice it should come. Correct?
Okay, sir.
It's no condition on any means both cannot be, right?
Okay, sir.
Clear hai, Thanu?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Is everyone okay, CC? Sahil, you will solve this question. Next one. Take your time, you will explain. Everybody right. What is probability getting multiple of 3 or any dice? Multiple of 3 or any dice. Think, guys, think. Multiple of 3 on any dice. Neither first or second, I'm asking. Any dice. Think more. No, none of you are right. No, think more, think more. Multiple of 3 on any dice. 22 by 36. अच्छा, शुभी 22 by 36 कैसे? इतना अलग आंसर क्यों तुम्हारा? युवराज का भी 22 by 36.
So because in a dice the multiple of 3 are 3 and 6.
3 and 6. तो लिख दिया हमने 3 1.
The options will be 1 by 3, 1 comma 3.
So 3, I'll write it like this: 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 5 and 3 6.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, 6 1 6 2.
6,
And you are right. That's what I'm asking you. 6 5 6 6.
6.
So that is one thing. But it also happened that the multiple 3 comes on the second dice, right?
Yes, sir.
So the ulta.
Yes, sir.
1 3 2 3 3 3 will not come. This is the double. I'm going to remove that in the end. Correct?
Yes,
This
sir.
was 3 3 now. We'll remove in the end just to explain to people. Okay.
Okay, sir.
4 3 5 3 and 6 3.
Yes.
I'm not writing bracket, guys. It takes time. So, and also it can come 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6. Right.
Yes, sir.
1 6 2 6 3 6. That's what you're saying, right, Shubhi?
Yes, sir.
So these are 24 outcomes. But if you see this and these are common,
Yes.
so we'll not count twice. Let's forget this one of them. Similarly, this and these are common.
Yes, sir.
We'll not count this. So out of
Yes.
24, 2 are gone. That's why we say 22 by 36. Very good, Shubhi. So please ask me anybody any doubt because many people were wrong earlier. That's fine.
Sir, this 3 comma 6 and 3 comma 6 also repeating, sir, in first row, last one, and in the fourth row, third row.
एक मिनट रुको.
There are
हाँ,
some-
you are right. You are right. I missed that. 3 6 फिर तो एक और रिपीट होगा. 6 3 भी होगा.
एक और repeat होगा. वही 20 by 36 और the
You
right
are
answer.
right. 6 3 भी
Yeah.
रिपीट होगा. Very good. I forgot that. ये भी रिपीट हो रहा है, ये भी रिपीट हो रहा है. You're perfectly right. So it should be 20 then. Very good. So guys, yes, because 3 6 also is repeating and 6 3 also repeating. So we don't count twice. So answer is not 22. Mistake. It's a 20. Very good, Yuvraj. Got everybody? Right. Shall we move on? This is okay. Now I'm going to move on one last question on this before we move on to cards. One last question on this. What is probability of getting, say, means number on dice 1 is greater than number on dice 2. Take your time, guys. Number on dice 1 greater than number on dice 2. Okay? Try and then solve. Okay. Sahil Kumar, tell me the answer. How shall we solve this? If your audio works, Sahil. Ritesh Malik, your audio works? Ritesh Malik? No. Sahil no says okay. Okay, Sajda Devi, you will try?
Yes, yes, sir.
Explain. I'll say dice 1 here, just for everybody. I'll say dice 2 here. Correct?
Yes, sir.
If dice 1 we're getting 6, so what all we can get in dice 1? Dice 2.
6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So that total 5 outcomes, right?
Yes, sir.
We get dice 1, we get 5 on the dice 1.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Similarly,
1, 2, 3.
then
1, 2.
we get 2 here,
A 2, comma 1.
and 1 we cannot get, right?
Yes, sir.
So how many outcomes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 plus 4, 9, 12, 14, 15, right?
Yes, sir. 15 by 36.
This is the way you solve it orally, right?
Yes, sir.
Superb. Understood, everybody? 15 by 30 is the outcome. That's it. Dices.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sajna Devi. Anybody any question on dice, coins till now? Now, how many of you don't know playing cards? How many don't know about playing cards? Divya does not know. Okay. So Divya, I am going to write some information. You will use it. Everybody will use that. You take a photo of this. Total cards 52. Lot of will say, sir, Joker. No, no, Jokers don't count. Okay. People ask, no, Joker we cannot count. Ankita doesn't know. Are Ankita, you don't know playing cards. So total cards are 52. Are playing card, so it's a fun. Fine. So total card 52. 4 suits. Each suit 52 by 4. So 13 cards. Which are the 4 suits? Diamond, which is red. Hearts, which is again red. Spade, black. Clubs, black. Each suit has 13 cards. I already told about, right? 13 cards. And in every suit has these 13 cards. A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. J, Q. These are the 13 cards in every suit. And let me write it one line. We need space later, okay? And these are known as face cards. J, Q and K. Jack, Queen and King. And lastly, honor cards. A, J, Q and K. If you don't know, please take a photo of this, okay? Everyone. We are going to solve questions now. Take a photo of this for your reference. You don't need the playing card knowledge now. You only need this, which is more than sufficient to solve problems on playing card. Now the event is one card is picked. What is probability of picking a black card, Shubhi?
So 13 divided by 52.
Black card कितने total?
26.
6. So 26 divided
Playing
by
card
52.
खेलती हो ना?
नहीं sir.
नहीं?
नहीं.
Oh, I should talk to the family. अरे ऐसा कैसे? 26 by 52 because 2 suits are black, 2 suits are red. Correct. Dhanu, what is probability getting? Dhanu, unmute.
Yes, sir.
What is probability getting black or a red card?
1, sir. It's a sure event.
It's a sure event because what else you can get? Either black or red. 26 by 20 is 52.
Yes.
So that's it. Yuvraj,
Yes, sir.
what is probability getting a black and red card?
So it should be 20. So let me think.
Yeah, please take your time. Everybody
Sir,
write, don't stop. People think either it will be 0 or 52 by 52, is it? Okay.
नहीं. आपके पास नहीं.
Your one card is picking. What is probably getting a black and red card? युवराज 0 ना. एक कार्ड में रेड और ब्लैक दोनों कैसे आएंगे? बताओ.
Okay, एक कार्ड. Okay, event is one card is picked up.
हाँ. एक कार्ड पिक कर रहे हैं तो ब्लैक और रेड दोनों नहीं आ सकते, कोई एक ही आ सकता है. So it's impossible event. Just I'll complete English. It's impossible even because you are picking only one card. So it can be black or it can be red. Can't be both. Let's start next. Thank you, Raj. Next is, if I say, okay, what is probability of picking A? You'll do one first level easy, then second level difficult, third level very difficult. Believe me, you are going to be very difficult. Probability of getting queen. Meghna, what is probability of getting queen? Obviously, only 4 queens. What is probability of picking the numbered card? Shubhi,
So 1 minute. Nine by 52.
9 by 52 एक ही सूट का लेंगे.
अच्छा नहीं सारे सूट्स का लेंगे. हाँ. 36 by 52.
Correct. स्कन 39 कैसे हुआ स्कन?
Sir, I excluded aces.
हाँ, aces has to be excluded. You are right. Shubhi 39 कैसे हुआ?
Sir, I mean, I forgot to exclude aces.
Okay. Okay. So guys, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 9 cards in each suit. So 9 into 4, 36. What is everybody getting? Not a honor card.
$36 by 52. Like
Not an honor card. So honor cards are A, J, Q, K. 4 cards in each suit. So Yuvraj, गड़बड़ हो गया 66. Correct. So 16 cards are removed. 52 minus 16. Not an honor card. What is probability of getting? Either a jack or a king. Skan.
Yes, sir.
Either a jack or a king.
Sir, jack or a king, if king is chosen, so 4 outcomes are there. Jack is taken, so 4 outcomes. If you add, we'll get 8. So
That's
it's
it.
8 by 50.
You are right. Red queen. Everybody. Total 2 red queens. You have to get a club card or a king. Divya, why 16?
Sir, in club we have 13 cards, sir, and
Correct.
3 kings.
Why 3 kings only?
Because in club we added that one, that king, one
Right,
king.
because 13 in that all clubs plus 3 king in a different suit. You did can't count put together all.
So 13 plus 3, 16.
You are right. Next. Probability picking either a numbered card or blackjack. Either a number card or a blackjack. So number cards are 9 in each suit. 9 into 4, 36. Plus 2 blackjack. Either a prime number card or a red card. Prime numbered or a red card. Mani Pritam, your audio works. Explain.
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
We have 4 prime numbers.
Like 2, 3, 5 and
7.
7. 4 prime numbers.
4 4s are 16.
Okay. 16.
16 plus red cards are 26.
Okay.
26 plus 16, 42.
But in red card में भी तो prime number count होगा already.
Oh.
So you will not do 4 into. You will forget. You will do only 4 into 2, 8. यहाँ तो सभी आ गए ना?
Yes, sir.
I thought you will exclude from here. So prime numbers in the black suit plus all the red cards. So 34. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Superb. Now I'm going to go more difficult, guys. Is everyone ready? Last part of this very difficult. You have to think more. Everybody CC. Write quickly. Neither a queen nor a spade. Tell me. We are picking only one card still. What is already picking? Neither a queen nor a spade. Divya, explain.
So spade means 13 cards.
Spade 13 card is gone. And
And in 13 only we have one queen, sir. So
okay.
3 queens.
So total 16 card gone, right?
Yes, sir.
Out of 52.
Yeah, 52 minus 16.
That's it. So good. Yes.
36 per 52.
Superb. Thank you. Neither odd number card nor red card. Tell everyone. Ankita, what should be the answer?
So let me think.
Yes, please. Mute करके सोचो, mute करके. Ready? I don't want the right answer. I don't want the right answer, Angita. I want you to explain, sir, this plus this or this minus this.
So there is sir rate cards है 26 cards and means 52 minus 26 हो जाएगा और फिर उसके बाद अपने जो मतलब odd number है that is 3, 5 and 7, 9 means 4 odd numbers are there.
So 4 odd number in which suits? The black suits, right?
So हाँ
Right?
yes sir.
So 4 odd numbers only in the black suit will be removed because red we removed all. So 26 minus 8, 18.
18.
Good. Got everybody? Why 18? First we remove all the red cards. Done. Then remove the black card which have odd numbers. Done. That's it. Last question on this.
So
Yes, please.
I have a doubt.
Ask
So
me.
for odd numbers, the odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. No.
1 का कौन सा कार्ड होता है सीपी?
अच्छा A होता है. ठीक है.
Correct.
Yes.
Because I know because J के odd number कैसे हुए? Don't say J is 11, K is 13. वो तो you assume in some games, right? Right, because J and K are alphabet cards, face cards, order card. They are not odd number cards. You assume a value in some games. J is 11, K is 13. That is different thing. Agree? Tell me last question on this. Let's see who does it right. वैसे लेट्स सी हु डज इट राइट मतलब कुछ तो ट्रिक होगा गाइस तो सोचो थोड़ा और अगर मैंने बोला है कि लेट्स सी तो कुछ तो गड़बड़ होगा So different answer 23, 24, 23, 24, 27. Okay. I give some more time. 28, 27, 27. Okay. Total cards are 52. Minus diamond. Minus face and owner. Face are the subset of owner. Forget the face. Owner cards. 4 cards in each suit. In 3 suits. That's it. Ask me any confusion, anyone.
So
पूछो.
So हमारा फेस कार्ड और ऑनर कार्ड तो एक ही हो गया फॉर एग्जांपल बिकॉज ऑनर कार्ड में
तभी
we
तो
are
एक ही
already-
बार तभी तो यही किया राइट तभी मैंने यही किया है 2 बार नहीं किया है
तो सो व्हाई 4 into 3 and not 4 into 4?
क्योंकि ये तो चला गया डायमंड तो पूरा काउंट हो गया ना वापस काउंट क्यों करें डायमंड को
हाँ ठीक है.
Understood everybody? Now this is what one card is picked. Now no
Sir?
we're not doing yes please.
Sir, face card means JQK.
You're telling me or asking me?
Sir, I'm asking, sir.
What
you,
is it?
you wrote
See the
52
left side.
minus
See
30.
the left side. See the left side. Which are face cards? JQK.
Yes, sir.
Which honor card?
Then,
AJQK.
okay.
We don't want
Okay.
face, we don't want honor. तो सारा निकालना पड़ेगा ना AJQK.
Okay.
Remove all of them, right?
Okay. Sir.
Good. Any other question? Guys, ask me question. Don't worry. Now, we are not going to this question because we'll do after combination, but I will give you a hint. If suppose we pick two cards simultaneously, listen very carefully. We are only doing one question to give you idea. Because when we do combination, you can understand. If the two cards are picked simultaneously, what is probability that both are red? Very easy. It requires combination. How? Total cards are 52. We have to pick two. So we'll say 52 C2. We'll learn in combination in the next Sunday. 52 C2 means picking two cards out of 52. The total outcomes are 52 C2. We need only the red cards. Or both the cards should come from the red. So 26 reds are there, 26 C2. That is the probability of picking two cards which both are red. The only difference will happen only this, nothing else. I'll repeat. Whether you pick two card, three card, four card, five card, just like that, combination comes. Picking two cards out of 52. Three cards, three out of 52. Total outcome. And favorite outcome depending on what we need, both red. So red are 26. So 26 C2. If a question is, what is probability of picking? One red, one black. Suppose two cards are picked. Then what you will say? You will simply say total cards are still 52. So 52 C2 is my total number of outcomes. Favorite outcomes we need red and black, one red, one black. So one red should come from red cards, 26 C1 and 26 C1, one black. And is there. And that's it. When we do combination, we'll do some more questions on that. Remind me, but that is what it is. Nothing else will change. Fine. We'll do last part of probability, which is totally different. More difficult, more different. Okay. Last half an hour, totally different type of probability. Good to go? What is probability of having? And don't tell me answers, guys. I want the reason. So a lot of people mug up, sir, this is the answer. No, I don't want that. Tell me the reason of having 53 Sundays in a leap year. Explain me. First tell me the answer, then explain me. I'll explain this question, we'll modify a little bit. What is probability of having 53 Sundays in a leap year? Any ideas?
So can I?
Yes, please.
So in a 1 month we have 4 Sundays.
Okay.
So we'll do 4 into 12, that is 48.
Okay.
And
say again. 12 into 4, 48.
Yes, sir.
फिर
If we divide the year into
पर मंथ कहाँ से हो गया? ये तो ईयर की बात चल रही है ना. मंथ का कैलकुलेशन गड़बड़ हो जाएगा.
से आगे जाके ईयर में
ऐसा नहीं होता है शुभी, ऐसा नहीं होता है. 12 into 48 के बाद फंस जाओगी. Because एक ईयर में कितने वीक्स होते हैं? तुम
एक
in 1 year how many weeks are there?
Sir, 52.
रुको स्कंद wait. शुभी.
Yes, sir.
How many weeks are there in a year?
52.
52. That's why questions are always about 53. See, there is no 53 is not a random number. There is always a question about 53 because 52 weeks तो हर year में होते ही होते हैं हमेशा. So if you go by month wise, it will never be solved because you will say 4, but उसमें किसी में तो वो भी होता है कि 5 Mondays भी आते हैं, 5 Sundays भी आते हैं किसी में, right? Actually जनवरी में तो 5 Sundays, right?
Yes, sir.
देखो फिर क्या करोगे? Don't go by month, go by year. You want to say again? Try again.
So, sir, if we'll so I have already attended this class, so I know. That's why I was saying.
Then you should tell me ना. 366 total days in a leap year, right, Shubhi?
Yes, sir. So we go with the remainder method.
हाँ, तो 366 मतलब कितने वीक्स है? 52 full weeks or
52
not?
weeks हुए, हाँ.
कितना एक्स्ट्रा डे बचे?
2.
And 2 extra days. ये प्रॉब्लम है. So 52 full weeks मतलब क्या है? 52 Monday, 52 Wednesday, 52 Sunday, 52 everything, right?
Yes, sir.
So 52 का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. प्रॉब्लम is the extra Sunday, right?
So,
अब ये 2 दिन बचे हैं. These 2 days can be what? They can be Monday, Tuesday.
yes, sir.
They can be Tuesday, Wednesday.
Yes, sir. Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, and Saturday, Sunday.
इतना ही होगा?
Yes, sir.
No.
Sunday, Monday.
Okay. So how many outcomes are there?
7.
So these are total outcomes, right?
Yes, sir.
Total outcomes are 7. Which are favorable to us?
Saturday, Sunday, and Sunday, Monday.
कितना हुआ?
2
तो probability क्या हो गया?
by 7.
That's the point. There's nothing month. How many extra days? Because 52 तो सब आ रहे हैं. 53rd जब आएगा जब?
जब
We use the 2 extra. Extra days will be having Sundays. So possibility is Saturday, Sunday या Sunday, Monday, depending when the year is starting, which day.
Yes, sir.
Good. Everybody understood? The probability is 2 by 7. If not, please ask me. So I'm going to modify this question 5 times. In a leap year, total number of days are 366. 366 by 7. 52 full complete weeks. Means what? Sahil, I'm explaining, yes. So Sahil, 366 days in a leap year, right? If you divide by 7, you get 52 as a quotient. 52 full weeks. What does it mean? 52 Sundays, 52 Mondays, 52 Tuesdays, like this, right? And 2 extra days. If you divide 60 by 7, remainder will be 2. So 2 days extra. Try dividing 360 by 7, everybody. You get a remainder of 2. So those 2 days can be Monday, Tuesday. Those 2 days can be Tuesday, Wednesday. It all depends when the year starts, which day the year started. So those 2 days can be either Monday, Tuesday, or Tuesday, Wednesday, or Wednesday, like that. 7 outcomes. These are total 7 outcomes we have. So that's why total outcomes are 7. We need Sundays. Sundays coming here and here. 2 outcomes which are favorable to us. That's why probability is 2 by 7. Is everyone okay, CC? Good. Now I am going to change the question. What if question say in a regular year, same question in a regular year? Heram Patil, Skan knows, wait. Sajna Devi, Ritesh Malik, Ankita. What should be the answer? And why? Who will explain this? Who will explain? Skan, okay. So Bajar is there. Who said first? Shubhi said like this. Skan said, okay. So one question Shubhi will solve, one Skan will solve. Okay, Skan?
Okay.
Shubhi, you try this one. Skan will try next one.
So in a regular year, we have 365 days.
365 days.
365 divided by 7, that is 52 full week and 1 extra day. So for the 1 extra day, we have
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, right?
Yes, sir. So,
any of the 7 days can be?
Yes, sir. Any of the 7 days can be an extra day. So that will be 1 by 7.
And Sunday comes only once, so 1 by 7. That's it. Very good. Got everybody? 1 extra day, then 1 extra day can be Sunday or Monday or Tuesday, when 7 outcomes. We need only Sunday, so 1 outcome is favorable. So answer is 1 by 7. I'll modify again, then Skan will solve this. Skan, you will wait 1 minute, let people answer, then you will solve it. Question is, what is probability of having 53 Mondays and 53 Tuesdays in a leap year? Tell me, everybody. 53 Mondays and 53 Tuesdays. One by 7, 3 by 7. Okay, keep writing. Still 1 by 7, 3 by 7. Skand, you will explain,
Yes, sir.
please.
Sir, in a leap year, we have 52 full weeks and 2 extra odd days. So those 2 extra odd days can be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday as listed there. The favorable outcome is only Monday and Tuesday. So which will satisfy the given condition that 53 Mondays and 53 Tuesdays. So it's 1 by 7.
Exactly right. Because method is same, we need Monday, Tuesday both. So only one outcome is favorable out of the 7. That's why answer is 1 by 7, not 3 by 7 or 2 by 7. Because we need 53 Mondays as well as 53, what I said, Tuesday or what? Tuesday. So this. Good, Skand. What if I change this question to or? Try this now. The 3 by 7, okay, let's see. Who will explain this? Divya, you will explain?
Okay, sir. Sir, 53 Mondays or 52 Tuesdays?
Okay,
52 full weeks and 2 extra days.
correct.
So here mentioned hours, sir. Means
Or
it can be a Monday or Tuesday,
so
anything.
this is
So
favorable.
yes, sir. And second one is also favorable, sir. And last one, Sunday and
Right.
Monday.
These
So
three
3 by
outcomes are
7.
favorable. So it is
3 by 7.
7. Very good. Everybody is
Thank you.
okay? Super. Thank you, Divya. Next question. What is the probability of getting 53 Wednesday and 53 Sundays in a leap year? Tell me, guys. Zero, 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 zero. Okay, Sajna Devi, why it is zero?
Because there is no such scenario to 50 Sunday and Wednesday.
Because the two extra days will always be consecutive, right?
Yes, sir.
So Wednesday and Sundays cannot happen. So probability is zero. You are right. Very good.
Yes.
Very
Thank you,
good. And the last question, guys, for everybody is, the last question is this. What is the probability of having 53 Mondays in a, wait, 53 Mondays or 53 Wednesday in a regular? Last question on this before we move on to the last part of it. Tell me this. Two by seven, 2 by 7, 2 by 7. Meghna, how shall we solve this?
Yes, sir.
Explain.
Uh, as this question is saying, probability of having 53 Monday or a Wednesday in a regular week. There's a
Okay.
or.
Okay.
There's a two scenario.
Correct. 53 Mondays or 53. So let me make it 365 by 7, 52 full weeks. Correct. One
Yes,
extra
sir.
day.
One extra day.
So total outcomes are 7 Monday to Sunday, right?
Yes,
Now
sir.
what? Now what? Which are the favorable outcomes?
2.
2. Monday or Wednesday. So 2. So answer is 2 by 7. Right, Meghna? Good.
No.
Very good. 2 by 7. Heram, not 52.
Yes, sir.
It is always by 7, Heram. Heram, unmute. Heram, those one extra day can be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. 7 days. So that's why 7 outcomes total. Out of that, 2 are favorable, Monday or Wednesday. So 2 by 7. Everyone, CC? We will do the last part of this. Balls, bags. Say a bag contains 3 red balls, 4 green balls, 2 blue balls. Okay? One ball is picked. What is probability that a picked ball will be green? We are going to do here a little bit of conditional probability, dependent and independent events. Simply total balls are 9. Green balls are 4. So 4 by 9. Simple. If I say what is probability of picking? Not a red ball. Then not a red ball means we can pick only green and blue. So 4 plus 2, 6. So 6 by 9. Very easy. But if I change the question now, if I say 2 balls are picked, one after other. So whenever I say one after other, 2 scenario happens. First is with replacement. Second is without replacement. Means what? With replacement means you pick the ball, saw the color, kept it back. But without replacement, you pick the ball, but you are not keeping it back. First we'll solve the with replacement. 2 balls are picked one after other. What is probability that both the balls are red? So this is dependent event. So you pick the first ball. Probability getting first ball as red is 3 by 9. And so into. You are picking the ball back. So again 9 balls. Again you are picking the ball. Should be red. So this is the probability. You solve it 1 by 9. Because you are picking it back. But the same question if you do, you are without replacement, you are picking both. You are picking 2 balls and I want both the balls should be red. You pick the first ball, being red is 3 by 9. And no, there are only 8 balls. And out of them only 2 are red. So 2 by 8. Go through it and ask me any confusion. This is dependent events because independent event is very important. The probability of this depends upon what ball we got first. We are doing not replacement. We are not doing replacement. So number of balls are reduced, red is reduced. So Vikas, देखो, we are picking 2 balls. and I want both the balls should be red, and I am not putting back the balls. So first you pick the first ball because it is one after other. So what is probability getting first ball as red? 3 out of 9 because 3 red balls and total 9 balls. And no, you are not kept it back. You are picking the second ball. So total number of balls are only 8 now. 1 is picked already. And out of 3, only 2 red are remaining because 1 red is picked. So it is 2 by 8. You multiply these two, you get this. That's it. Now I change the question, guys. If I say first red and then green, this we'll do later. Tell me the probability of picking 2 balls without replacement, with replacement. First ball should be red, second ball should be green. Right, because first ball is red, so 3 out of 9, and second should be green, 4 out of 9. So correct. But same question, can you do same question without replacement? Meghna, why 2 by 9? Iskat, why 2 by 9?
So not for this.
Okay. So no question is same question. We need 2 balls which are picked one after other without replacement. What is probability that first ball will be red, second would be green? Very easy. First is red, 3 over 9, and no balls are only 8. I want green, 4 by 8. You are right. Correct. Very easy. So let's do another part of question which are more difficult. We can easily do it again. If I say there are 2 bags, bag 1, bag 2. Bag 1 contain 4 red, 3 green, and say 2 blue. 3 red, 5 green, say 4 green, doesn't matter actually, 3 blue. Suppose, see the question now. One ball is picked from bag 1 and conditional probability. So I'm not going to theory, I want to do concept and transfer to bag 2. Then one ball is picked from bag 2. What is probability that the picked ball would be red? I'll explain. One ball is picked from bag 1 and transferred to bag 2. Then one ball is picked from bag 2. What is probability that the ball picked from bag 2 would be red? Tell me. 4 by 11. Dhanu say 4 by 11. I'll wait for 1 more minute and then I'll explain. This is not as easy as it looks like. You think a little more. I'll explain now. This works on scenario based, guys. Scenario 1, scenario 2. Scenario 1 is red ball is transferred. Scenario 2 is green or blue ball is transferred. You have to think about transfer first, right? Say, if red ball is transferred, what is the probability of picking red ball from bag 1? 4 by 9. And now you are picking, because you transferred a red ball from bag 1 to bag 2, the probability is 4 by 9. And now you are picking a ball from bag 2. So now bag 2 becomes 3, 3, 6, 10, 11 balls. 10 were already there, 1 we added, and red becomes 4 now. So this is 16 by 99. Or scenario 2, green or blue ball is transferred, not. So if you transfer green or blue from bag 1, how many green and blue are there? 3 plus 2, 5. Should be 5 by 9 into, again the ball becomes 11 in the bag 2, but the red balls are still only 3 only, because green or blue is transferred. This becomes 15 by 99. So probability would be this plus, because it's a OR. It is not as direct as it looks like. First you have to find out which ball is transferred, and then you have to say, if that ball is transferred, what is the probability? And listen, this is a plus because the scenario, this or this. This is done. Ask me doubts. So we covered a wide range of problems. I want you to just practice. In next class, we are going to start with permutation combination, which is more difficult. Any question, Shubhi? Any question, anyone?
Sir, in scenario 2, the green and blue balls are transferred and not the red balls. So,
Correct.
so why did we take 3 by 11 and not
बॉल कौन
7
सा
by
पिक करना
11?
है? बॉल कौन सा पिक करना है? रेड बॉल का प्रोबेबिलिटी निकाल रहे हैं ना हम. प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ पिकिंग अ रेड बॉल. क्वेश्चन रेड बॉल का है पूरा. फोकस इज ऑलवेज ऑन रेड बॉल. सी द क्वेश्चन शुभी. ये क्या बोल रहा है?
So why then 5 by 9?
This is about red ball, right?
Yes, sir.
This is also red ball.
Yes, sir.
Why this 5 by 9?
Green and blue.
No, what are you asking me?
So yes, I am asking this only. Why 5 by 9 then?
What is probability of picking a green or blue ball from bag 1 to transfer? यहाँ से ट्रांसफर करना है और वो ट्रांसफर हमारा रेड नहीं हुआ है. समथिंग देयर आर टू पॉसिबिलिटी. Either red is transferred or red is not transferred. So either red is transferred or red is not transferred.
Okay.
So red is not transferred मतलब green or blue is transferred.
Okay, sir.
This and then you are picking.
Okay.
पक्का? Good. Anybody any doubt? So that's all for today. Keep practice. We have covered a lot of things. Similarly, we are going to do permutation also. We are going to very deep. So come prepared. We are going to go very deep. We are going to solve many questions like this. And yes, that's it.
So
Yes,
there is
Shubhi.
one question.
हाँ Shubhi.
So for the first month only, you have sent 2 worksheets for the practice.
हाँ.
And so, for the other sessions, you have not sent any work.
I'll add some more questions to different topic and we'll send. Okay, Shubhi?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Skan, this is too late now. Skan, why you ask on the late? 1 o'clock. My next class starting now. It's only 1 minute
Okay.
late. Skan, last week. Okay. Message me Skan separately 1 to 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Everybody, thank you, sir. See you next Sunday. And guys, don't miss any class, please. Okay. Do not miss any class. You can message me. How was it overall? Bye bye. Thank you. Sahil, Dhanya, which one you want to explain again? Scenario 2 means either you transfer red ball here or you don't transfer. If you don't transfer red, you transfer either green or blue. How many green or blue are there? 3 and 2, 5. So, what is probably picking green or blue from the total? 5 by 9. Correct? 5 balls out of 9 balls. So, probably picking green or blue from bag 1 is 5 by 9. And now you are picking because now green or blue is transferred here. So total ball become 11. And then you are picking one red ball which is 3. So 3 by 11. This is about transferring. This is about transferring. This is about picking the ball. Picking the back 2. That's it. Okay. Thank you guys. See you next Sunday. Don't miss it. Bye bye.